Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Cliff in the TaxQuips Forum, who dropped the ball. He's mad. He says filing your income tax return is due on April 15th or with extension on 10/15. However, the instructions also say you have 3 years plus any extensions to file a claim for refund due. Which rule takes precedence? The IRS cannot or will not answer this question, which I've asked several times. If I file an extension and ensure that I'm due a refund, why then does the IRS come after me and force me to file via a Notice of Deficiency letter before the 3-year period is up? Well, Clifford, the operative phrase is if you filed a tax return. If you didn't file a tax return, you have only 3 years from the due date of the return to file and claim the refund, not including extensions. The extensions will have expired. True, the deadline dates can be confusing, so for more details about the deadlines for filing claims, please see the rest of my reply in the TaxQuips Forum. Now, why does IRS want you to file before the 3-year period is up? To protect your interests. If you don't file a tax return within 3 years of the original due date, not including extensions, you lose any refund you have coming to you. As to the Notice of Deficiency letter, honey, that's a completely different animal. That letter is issued after an audit. When an audit is completed, whether you bother to show up or not, IRS issues a 30-day letter. When you ignore the 30-day letter, the 90-day Notice of Deficiency is issued. So we're not talking about your right to claim a refund here. We're talking about you ignoring notices from IRS about audits. And if you didn't know you were being audited, you're not reading your mail. So get help while there's still time, before those 90 days expire. At the very least, file a tax court petition in order to protect your right to reopen the audit you simply ignored. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about IRS deadlines and notices and other tax issues free. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.